Let's talk about the Parts Technician course and how it can help you advance your trade career. If you've spent years organizing parts, handling orders, or managing stockrooms, this certification turns your hands-on experience into recognized professional status. The Parts Technician course shows employers that you know how to identify, source, and manage every component that keeps the operation moving. And here's the thing, you can now train online at your own pace while keeping your current job. That flexibility is a game changer for busy tradespeople balancing work and family. Across the United States, the Parts Technician course is nationally recognized. Once certified, you can work anywhere in the country without needing to requalify. That means more job mobility, better pay opportunities, and real long-term stability. Now, let's talk about what the exam looks like. Most exams include 100 to 150 multiple choice questions with about 4 hours to complete them. You might see scenarios involving inventory math, safety procedures, supplier communication, and parts cataloging. These aren't trick questions. They're built on real-world skills you already use. They follow national occupational standards, so you're being tested on what matters most in the trade. To prepare effectively, plan to study 3 to 6 months ahead. Break your learning into sections: safety, tools, math, codes, and customer service. Instead of cramming, take shorter, focused sessions several times a week. If it's been a while since you wrote an exam, don't stress. A lot of experienced workers feel nervous. That's totally normal. Start with easy wins. Do a few questions a day. Review diagrams. Quiz yourself on key terms. Every bit of consistent practice adds confidence, and confidence is what gets you through exam day. Now let's talk resources. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books for quick self-tests, Q&A with explanations for deeper understanding, and online time tests that simulate the real exam. These tools don't promise a pass. They help you study smarter. Each practice test builds focus, accuracy, and speed. And because they're digital downloads, you can start studying instantly. No waiting for shipping. Use your phone or tablet to review questions during lunch breaks or commutes. That's how modern tradespeople prepare. The Parts Technician course isn't just about certification. It's about career growth. Certified technicians often move into roles like foreperson, supervisor, inspector, or instructor. Employers notice your commitment to safety, efficiency, and professionalism. Many unions even support members taking this course by offering training funds or study allowances. So if you're thinking about the next step in your career, this is your sign to start. You've already got the experience. Now it's time to back it up with certification. Visit journeymanstudyguide.com today to explore Parts Technician course prep tools. Because preparation builds confidence, and confidence builds careers. You've got this.